there's the finally stop forward to the middle of the track. And there goes the hopefully start the train off again. Hopefully the motor will run a bit further this time. Go on 87. This is the premium model by Hornby. Oops. See how much that pushes forward in comparison of the A7, it just went a little bit more oomph around the corner, so then you like all this will start to wake up and ready for the layout again. It is still waking up, so wakey wakey 87. Time to run again. Come on. I mean, she's the newest of, she's one of my newest, not the newest, but she is a very new model. Does the loco need servicing? Well, some of them probably will, yes. But some of them haven't really been serviced for quite some time. Oh, guys, this has been a long one, but in some way I'm looking forward to it, but in other ways not so much looking forward to it then, because I enjoy these long videos, but I don't know if you guys do, so please let me know in the comments below if you actually prefer these long videos, or you prefer the short ones, or maybe just not do as much of the short ones, and then the other really long video from time to time. If you prefer, let me know. I do like your suggestions for video ideas, especially when it comes to model area stuff. Give me ideas for game stuff as well. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff sorted out for things. There's so much oil in that one. I have to get a new oil pack for that one. All the locos are running at the moment, or trying running. I'm able to try to run these locos as much as possible, and then I'll try to get it in the reverse direction this time, into the forward, and see if she actually works in the forward direction a lot much more smoothly, and then see, she does work better in that direction it seems. She's gone around pretty much the whole, or quarter of the layout, pretty much for this. Can't even like seem to move it that easily. My favourite electric is not moving very well. My favourite diesel is not moving very well. It's not going well. Hey, it rhymes. I'm a pro. Not. she comes. So this is another thing I need to watch for when the pop out's being put in, because things could fall off. And the last thing I want to do is my nice Spencer Locos falling off. So I need to keep that eye on when I'm running particular Locos like the 87 or the Steam Trains or anything like that. Well guys, I think we're coming to the end of the video soon. I know we haven't got long on it now. I haven't really got long at all on it, I don't think, but don't know. Oh, trains Monday time, eh? Right, how long we actually got? Because I don't expect it long. Wow, we haven't really all got that long at all now. Crikey. Thought we had a longer time, but apparently not. Anyway, I am going to sit down for a bit and talk to you guys before I call it a day. So yeah, just going to pop you guys down and sit there for a moment. Yeah, you can see the tunnel. It's quite a tunnel in the house, really. Yeah, tunnel just, well, the gravel stuff I use for the parts of the lorry track stuff is quite heavy, so that's why I use it. Some good stuff on it out, because it is reasonably good stuff. I'm going to sit down, because why not? So, we're sitting there, just chilling out now, because we haven't got long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys can just see the video if you're new to the channel. To those that have been on my channel for a while, as I said, there's a potential giveaway next year. If it doesn't happen, I'll let you guys know why it hasn't happened, or you know, just to keep you guys up to date to it. But yeah. Ooh, light flickered then. I don't know, that was just something a trick of the eye, but sometimes these lights in the garage do trip every now and again. I don't know why. Or maybe there was a thunderstorm around, I don't know. Could be. It'd be nice to actually see some snow thing going on, because that would be nice to see. But yeah, that would be nice to see some snow on Christmas Day. But anyway, I really need to stop saying but anyway, because that sounds weird. So, any of you guys, if you guys didn't like the video, or you liked the video, then make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell, and the like is flickered again. Weird. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Twitch, and TikTok. Links will be down below in the description for all those social medias that I do go to. So yeah, I've got a bunch of those different social medias I will be following you guys back on. And what I will be doing, is I might hope and see you guys one day. Well, once I got my own car, once I got my own place, it should be a lot easier to see you guys, if I'm completely honest. But at this moment in time, with still the lockdown in place, I know it's not lasting all that much longer, but while COVID's still around, I can't take that risk to seeing you guys with the risk of catching something. I don't want to catch something, so it's safer not to see you just yet. But maybe one day. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It's not the end. It's not the end of the world. But you can watch me on my videos, and you can follow me on my social medias, so you can see me that way. And we can maybe do a video call sometime. You can come in and do a live stream with me on Twitch, because I do have a Twitch account. I don't use it very often, but I do. Every now and again, I do post a video on there, live video. So yeah, I do post something like once in a while on there. Just some new people on Twitch who like to follow me as a new friend or as a supporter. So yeah, I haven't got much time, but what I'm going to mention now, guys, for the end of the video now, is I hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. But also to mention, all this section of the yard you can see, because I'm scratching my ear. But also going to mention is, when this time runs out, which should be in about 44 minutes from now. Yeah, it's about half an hour. So only got half an hour to go. About 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. So all it's got left to go before it finishes. And yeah, pretty cool though. Set the idea up. Oh, guys, I don't know. I've got so many ideas, but the thing is, I've still got many things to work on. So I'm going to here to chat with you for the next 30 minutes or so, just to talk to you guys. I'm going to put the camera down this moment. And a family watch. Typical. Should be alright there. But anyway, I'm going to put you guys there just for a few minutes. So yeah. So for my next 2-hour video, which will be tomorrow night, again, same sort of thing, just earlier hopefully. So that way it's not going to be running into bedtime, which right now it's probably heading to about 1 AM. But, or somewhere the estimate of 1 AM. Between 12 and 1 AM right now. But yeah. So I have got a big bunch of videos coming up for 2-hour videos. As I said, it will be probably mostly evening videos. I'll be doing these long ones. And then I probably will end up starting doing some really super cool ones that during again in next year when I come back and restart doing videos again. But when I start, which I'm going to let you guys know now, I'm going to go off the internet and having a break for a long period of time, not filming the videos. I will still be replying to you guys, but I won't be filming. I'm basically going to have a month and a half off, basically from well, my last day of video will be on Christmas Eve, and then during Christmas obviously I'm not going to be spending a huge amount of time on internet, but I will just be playing with some locomotives and things like that, and getting some layout tidied up, and maybe see some new improvements by the time I come back on doing videos again. As these videos will doing these big long videos up to Christmas Eve, basically 2-hour videos every day to up to Christmas Eve, and then obviously when I come back will be probably between the 10th and the 14th of January when I come back. So in that space of time I am going to be doing a lot of work and